Alright, so this is the levels page on MajorWager. It shows all the key strikes that actually matter today, based on both open interest and real intraday flow. Let's start with the obvious. Look at the 600 strike under open interest. That's the most loaded up level on the board, and most traders see that in their brokers and think, okay, that's where the action is. But the problem is, that's just part of the picture. Now look at Gamma. The heaviest overnight Gamma exposure today is actually down at 590. We could be pulled down there, and it's not something you'd catch unless you were looking at this. Delta is showing something else too. Take a look at 590. That's a serious wall of call buying, possibly support. Now, go above, around 594 to 595, and you'll see Delta flips red. That could act as resistance, so what we're looking at is a pin zone to downward pressure until we get to 590, where we can buy. Then down here, you've got volume and dollar volume. They show where the activity is and where the money actually went. And those two don't always tell the same story. That's why it matters to see both. Now, Intraday Gamma is like a real-time version of the Gamma chart. It updates based on trades happening right now, not just positions held overnight. And again, it's all clustered right here in that same tight zone. So this is how you get a full picture. Real support, resistance, Gamma pressure, trader behavior, all visual, and all in one place. No more guessing off just open interest. Here's how SPY traded the entire day. You can see the pin to downward pressure bring it all the way down to 590, and now it's time for the rebound. This is the Levels tool on MajorWager. You don't just see what's popular, you see what's critical.